Struggling with precise chip repair? Meet the LY Full Automatic Align System BGA Rework Station, engineered for ultimate precision and efficiency. Perfect for electronics labs, repair shops, and tech enthusiasts. Imagine flawless soldering and reballing every time. Powerful 5300 watts total output for demanding jobs. Upper and lower heating zones, 1200 watts each. Robust 2700 watts infrared heating zone for large PCBs. Handles PCB sizes from 10x10mm to 450x390mm. Supports chip sizes from 2x2mm up to 80mm. Minimum chip spacing of just 0.15mm K-type thermocouple closed-loop temperature control. Temperature accuracy within +2 degrees. Independent heating zones for flexible operation. Use upper and lower heaters separately or together. Prevents PCB deformation during reworking. HD optical alignment system for pinpoint accuracy. CCD camera delivers clear, magnified chip views. Laser positioning lamp for fast, reliable centering. Mounting accuracy within 0.01mm, no guesswork. Touchscreen interface for intuitive control. PLC smart temperature controller ensures stability. Easily save and analyze temperature curves. External temperature measurement port for extra precision. V-shaped card slot and adjustable PCB support. Universal fixture fits a wide range of chips. Hot air nozzle rotates 360 degrees for easy access. Repair BGA, VGA, QFN, CSP, LGA, SMD, and more. Perfect for soldering, desoldering, and reballing. 3 temperature zones heat independently. Double over temperature protection for safety. CE certified for professional reliability. Alarm function alerts after welding completion. Password protection for temperature parameters. Just 100 kL. Fits seamlessly into any workspace. Includes multiple nozzles, fixtures, and tweezers. Comprehensive accessories for all BGA tasks. User-friendly operation for pros and beginners. High repair success rate, up to 99.9%. 8-segment temperature control for custom settings. Instant curve analysis on the touchscreen. Micrometer fine-tuning for X, Y, and R angles. Titanium alloy. BGA Tuere for durability. Automatic color aberration and brightness adjustment. 15-inch HD LCD monitor for crystal clear viewing. Handles chips as small as 1 mm. Maximum chip load up to 400 GB. PCB thickness range, 0.5mm to 5mm. 5 operation modes for ultimate flexibility. Manual, semi-auto, desolder, solder, and SMT modes. Upgrade your repair workflow instantly. Transform your results with advanced technology. Experience unmatched precision and reliability. Ready to elevate your chip repair game? Get the LY BGA Rework Station today. Repair smarter.